But if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need.
Right, yes, good morning folks. Now the trick to making scrambled eggs in the microwave is to always take it out every 10 seconds and give it a stir with a fork to stop it congealing. You know, if you just leave it too long, it goes and there's just this big mattress of foamy egg and it's really hard to get it out. So what you have to do is keep on wheaking it and only don't put it in for too long, just wheak it out. And if it looks a bit runny, don't worry because it's still actually cooking with the heat. So give it a good stir and don't put salt and pepper in until afterwards because the salt and pepper that stops the egg binding properly. So as I said, 10 seconds, take it out, give it a week, 10 seconds, give it a week, and then you'll see it comes out sort of, it's runny just on the top bit, but give it another good stir and that'll be it ready, folks. So that's the tip to microwave. It's possible to do a microwaved. It's not as good as obviously as in the pan, you know, because of the pan, but the pan gets really messy, doesn't it? So I just prefer doing it in the microwave, and I always just use this little red carton thing here. It's a microwavable carton. As I said, every 10 seconds. So that was lovely, very nice indeed. I'm getting my appraisal at work this afternoon at 3:30, folks. So we get a yearly appraisal. So I shall let you know how I get on. No doubt I'll be, Jag, you're fantastic. Thank you very much for being an employee here at Mecca. We do appreciate you and your fantastic skill. Hopefully that's what it'll be anyway. Right folks, my appraisal didn't go too well because I forgot to fill up the form. We've got this form to fill up and we've got to fill it up with all sorts of things like, you know, service and how I help people and all this kind of thing, teamwork and ambition, give examples of this, that and the other. My examples as an individual, team or leader, what went well and what didn't go too well. Okay, so I've got to fill up that and development plan, all that kind of stuff. So I forgot to print one off, so I've got to fill this up and go back next Thursday and get my appraisal. So honestly, that was bad. I should have had it all done, but no, as usual. Never mind. Now what this is an Hitachi ghetto blaster I got from Bro. Look at it. Now back in the day this was really high tech. It's got a double double cassette, so you can double record your songs and your tracks and things. But it's very simple. This is what we had back in the day, folks. This is a cassette. You've got C90, C30, C60 and a C120, but C90 was 45 minutes on each side, so you record on both sides. So this is the Jag Unplugged CD that I got from Dad, and it's very simple. The way it works is that opens up like that, and you put the cassette in. For all you folk who have got CDs and Alexa now, this is what we used to have to do, folks. We used to play cassettes, and you put it in and then you just press play, but it's not working because I haven't got the plug turned on. So there we go. Now, so it's got a 3D boost, graphic equalizer. Now then, so I've been listening to the Jag Unplugged CD, and it is very Syd Barrettish. It must have been when I was in my Syd Barrett, Lou Reed, Scott Walker kind of phase. It must have been back in 1990, I think I must have recorded this. Just used to sit with my guitar playing and basically just record as I made songs up. So there's some good stuff on here, man. I was listening to some of the lyrics are actually quite good for me for that sort of time. I don't know what the hell was going on through my head there, man, but I think it was when I was unemployed in Whitfield, and so I had plenty of time just to do sort of songs. So what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to put some of these on SoundCloud. I'm going to put them onto the 8-track and just maybe try and overdub a couple. I was playing along with some of them. Some of them are just like sort of duff sort of tracks, but there's a couple of really nice sort of ones there, sort of jazzy, sort of little just bluesy kind of things. Very, as I said, very Syd Barrettish. I don't sing, I kind of just speak, really, as you can hear.
Now she said, what you gonna do when you're in bed? What you gonna do when you reach the end?
Crikey. Well, it's just, the mechanism's not working properly now, it's very slow. Alright. Yeah, so that's the kind of stuff we used to play, man. Sort of dark blues almost. So I think I just started playing guitar, so I think I only knew about 4 chords: G, A, D, E minor, C, F, just that sort of thing. So it's all very, but you know, it's not...
She must have said that this is just too much.
This is just too much.
Yes, she must have said I can't.
Right, so I'm going to listen to this a little bit more and see what we come up with. But yeah, so this is what we used to have, folks. They attach ghetto blast. It was absolutely really heavy. You used to sort of have to put it on your shoulder and carry. It's got a battery compartment as well for about 20 batteries, which would add to the weight. But this was really high tech back in the day. As I said, it's got a 3D boost switch. It's got double dubbing there, so you can record 2 things on there. So this is like a very basic 2-track device. I would have loved this back in the day, so because you can record onto one and then put a tape in there and record again and overdub it, sort of thing. But what I'm going to do is put some of them onto my 8-track. As I said, folks, give it a bit of a listen. There's some good stuff on there. Jag Unplugged, excellent stuff. Right, so this is what we used to have to do. Tape. There's the tape there, man. That's the C90. They used to sometimes tangle up, and what you'd have to do is get a pen. This is what we used to do: get a pen, put it in there, and you could move. This pen's obviously not good enough. I need a different biro. Yo. Okay, then I'll be down in a second. Right, so there we go, and we put that in there, and that's it, ready to play. There you go.
Take this no more.
There's Joshua Tree, folks, all on its own. Right, folks, it's a bit of a late night. Well, late night, it's only 5 o'clock, but a bit of a disaster here. Rosie phoned me. She went up to Asda and she phoned me and said, "Oh, Jag,
could you look at my bag? I think I've forgotten my my purse. And I'm like, oh my goodness me. So I went up and look what I found. There's Rosie's purse right there, man. So there was a bit of a silence on the phone. I said, yeah, I found it. Right, okay. Do you want me to come up with it? Oh yeah, but I've really no option. Man, have I? You know, so I've to come up to Asda. So I'm halfway there and give Rosie a purse. Honestly, man, we're having poached eggs on toast for tea. Well, we're supposed to be. But at this rate, I don't know. Honestly, we're both bad. She goes on about me. I always leave my wallet, forget my wallet, you know, whatever. I lose my wallet. I lose my wallet all the time. But this one is Rosie, so I'll not let her forget this one. There it is. Well, here I am, folks, unexpectedly at the Green Pyramid of Consumerism. And that was a bit of an epic trip there. When I got in, Rosie was in the biscuit aisle getting me Kit Kats, so that was like, oh, well, that's fair enough, you know. But then I met a few folk. I look, I'm in my gym jams basically. I'm in my lounging gear, as I call it. So it was quite an eventful one there. And so I saw Sam there, and the two Sams, and a couple of other folk that I know. So it was quite an eventful. And Rosie's like, I'm just having egg and chips for tea now. She's decided egg and chips. So and she's got these shake fries or something. So I have to try them. So they're really good. So that's tea now. I think it's still poached eggs or some sort of egg combination with fries now, chips. Right, so home we go. Yeah, didn't mean to be here, but honestly, I just got myself settled. I was like comfortable there on my bed, and I had a bit of trouble with YouTube, man, trying to upload the last video there, the one that's the search for kitchen roll that Errol boot sale. I had it all on Movie Maker, along with his other little clips from my GoPro when I was up at the Symbol Stone last week, and it was a really good video, and it ended with me disappearing into the stone, and it was great, and my music was on it, and when I tried to upload it, YouTube was like, oh, this file type is a WIMP file or something, you know. I'm like, oh, I see when it does that WIMP file, so I couldn't change it. So what I did, I just went onto the phone and just did a quick upload there. So, but honestly, so I'll try again when I get home, maybe to edit it and put it into proper file type. I don't know, man. Anyway, right, home we go. Folks, who are Binopolis. Well, it's not looking too good, man. We've got cardboard down there. We've got somebody's food bin down there, and the bin for the paper and cardboard is actually chock-a-block. There's no room for anything else, man. That's it. But this one here, this one looks like it's all right. This one, that's been empty, but that one there is just shocking, man. Well, look at that. Rosie had to copy me. I'm a style maker for the car air freshener department, obviously. That's Little Joe strawberry air freshener. She's got this one. I got the yellow one. So that's vanilla. Because yesterday when we got in the car, Brandon said, "Oh, it smells nice in here," and I was like, "Oh yeah, good." So that's the vanilla. So Rosie's gone and got herself a strawberry, man, but she can't get it out of the packet. So, tough. She'll probably hang it from the mirror like this, thinking that's how it works. Didn't realise that's. I'll get it out of the box first.